Hey there, follow me for some fun and adventure. Go ahead, push that button. Beep beep.
Welcome to this demonstration of my voice. From an evil to a manic professor to getting the living daylights kicked out of you. A poke in the eye, punch in the head, getting shot with an arrow, or just having the wind kicked out of you. These are the voices I do with my voice. If you're interested in my services for your games, please get in touch. Voiceover at jonhogan.co.nz. I look forward to hearing from you.